Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about creating a virtual server using AWS. So once again, yeah. So let's type AWS. Just create an account if you don't have any. So here I'm going to sign into my console. So here I'm going to EC2. So basically an EC2 instance is a virtual server in Amazon Elastic Computing Cloud applications on the Amazon Web Services infrastructure. So I don't have you can see there is I don't have any running instance. I just have a key pairs and some security groups. That's it. So I'm just going to launch an instance. So here I'm going to use the Linux one. So you can use the other if you want. So you can I'm just trying the random one, so the Linux one. So I'm selecting this one, and based on your requirement you can search and select the required one. So here I'm going to select the default one, low to moderate, because right now I'm not using it. I'm just to show you I'm just using this. So this is the basic one. So next, configuration. So here I'm going to leave everything the defaultly. So you can add storage if you want, but so I'm just giving it at 8 gigs and I'm leaving it. So based on your configurations the price will be changing. So that's it. I'm reviewing and launching it. So just checking everything, whether everything is correctly set. So here I can use an existing pair, or you can create your own pair. So as you can see in the previous one, like there was a existing pair, so this is what it is, but you can create your own pair. So I'm just creating a new one. So I'm just giving it as, let us say, ABC, and just download this pair. So yep, and now launch the instance. So our instance has been launched, and let us view the instance. So it's still processing. So you can see there is one more instance which I terminated already. So I'll show you how to do that within few minutes. So it's still initializing. So before that, let us go to the file that we downloaded. So it should be in downloads. So the name of the file is, we just given abc.fm. This is the file. So one thing is we need to change the permissions for that. So you can see it's running. So let's restart. So I think now it will be started. So just a few seconds to start. So let's try to connect it. So these are the different operations that you need to perform. So I'm just going to my terminal and performing the same operations. So we are just giving the permissions to do the action, so it's done. So then we need to just copy this and just paste the same, click yes. So you have been you have entered into that particular instance. So right now you can perform the similar actions that you perform in the Linux systems. So similar commands. I don't have any file here, so you can create a file, Ravi, and you can check it. So you can see there is a folder which has been created, and similarly you can perform your own actions here. So let's try to you can scan the other IPs also, the similar actions that you perform in the Kali Linux. So let's try to ping some server. So here let us ping Facebook. So it's going. So let us try inside this instance. So you can find the similar actions here. So that's how you can perform. You can create your own virtual server and perform the actions that you needed. So that's it for now. Hope you guys understood the concept, like how to create a virtual server of your own in the Amazon EC2. So that's it for now. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you.